Hey y'all, welcome to Black Mamas Do Science. This is a YouTube channel with me and my son where we will be doing science experiments that you can do at home. So today we have a fun and easy, quick science experiment, and we will be making a cloud in a bottle. All right, mamas, these are the ingredients you will need to do our cloud in a bottle. So that first ingredient that you will need is an empty water bottle. So I definitely recommend that you get one of those thinner plastic water bottles versus a very, very thick plastic water bottle, because you probably might have some trouble later on in the experiment. And then the next ingredient is rubbing alcohol. So those are two really quick things that you need. I'm sure a lot of people already have those at home. Luckily, this experiment doesn't have a lot of stuff you need to buy, so get ready. So mamas, the prep for this experiment is really easy. The only thing that I did before sitting down with Dax is I went ahead and cut the labels off of the water bottle. Can y'all hear Dax? There he is screaming again, singing, screaming. Anyways, so what you'll need to do is cut the label off of the water bottle. That is all I did. After that, Dax and I sat down and I let him help me put the alcohol into the water bottle. So you don't need to put a lot of alcohol in the water bottle, just enough to coat the inside of the water bottle. So once you add the alcohol, go ahead, close the top and roll the alcohol around in it. Just make sure it's really coated really well. You can let your kid do this. They can shake it up, roll it around, whatever. After your water bottle is coated with the alcohol on the inside, what you'll need to do is squeeze and turn the bottom third of the water bottle, which is why I recommended that you do not get a really thick plastic water bottle, unless you're super duper strong, because I have trouble. So go ahead and twist the bottom third of your water bottle. After you do that, let it go, and you will see that the water bottle will be filled with a cloud. And when you do that, you can open the top of your water bottle, and if you just squeeze it a little bit, you will see the vapor start erupting out of your water bottle. So I bet you're wondering, like I was, why did that do that? Well, stick around and I will show you how that's done. Okay, mamas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We really love doing these science experiments with y'all and showing y'all all the fun that we have learning more about science, and we hope you do too. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we hope that you enjoyed it and that you watch some more and do some more science experiments with us. All right, mamas, congratulations to making it all the way to the science behind our cloud in a bottle. So we added alcohol to our water bottle, right? Right. When we squeezed the bottom half of that, we created pressure inside of our water bottle. So what happens is the pressure that we created allowed the water vapor to compress together, heat up, and then evaporate into a gas. When we released the pressure, the water vapor molecules cooled quickly and condensed to form this visible cloud that we saw inside of our water bottle. And so the reason why the alcohol was needed is that alcohol, or rubbing alcohol, forms a more visible cloud because alcohol evaporates faster than water. So that's why we were able to see it almost instantly once we released the pressure inside of our water bottle. So that's something new I learned. That was really cool. Dax liked it. Okay, at first he wasn't interested because there's not a lot of color, blowing up stuff. But basically when we opened the water bottle and the water vapor started coming out, he was like, oh, that's cool. So we did it like 6 or 7 times. I'm not gonna even lie to you. So that is our experiment for today. Quick and easy. And we hope you enjoyed it. We enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. Bye, y'all. Okay. He's trying to make a break for it. He's gone.